Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see how I get this look, just stay tuned and I'll teach you how. Today we're going to start a little different since I already have my eyebrows done and I put a layer of foundation and my primer on. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with putting on some Scotch tape on each side. Next we're going to go in with the same exposed palette that I used in the other videos, and we are going to take this brush, the fluffy brush that I've used also, and we are going to take this light brown shade right here and put that in the crease up. Now we're going to go in and take this darkest shade with a smaller brush, and we're going to go right as close as we can to the crease and blend that in. Also now take it up and pull it up into this corner. I'm gonna take Maybelline's Fit Me Shine Free and Balance, and it is 110 porcelain, and I'm gonna take that to cut the crease, but I'm only going halfway this time. Now we are going to take that same dark brown color with the poofier brush, and we're going to just put that over the corner again and bring it into the crease. Take a small flat brush like this, and we're gonna go in and use this golden brown color right here and put that all over the lid where we cut it out. I went and did my eyeliner and put on some false lashes. So now we're gonna move on to doing the second layer of foundation, because I already did my first one. And I'm gonna put some concealer under my eyes actually, because they're kind of dark. And I'm gonna use that Maybelline's Fit Me that I used to cut the crease. Next we're going to take LA Colors Medium Translucent Powder. After that I'm going to put this all over my face, and then after that I'm going to use L'Oreal's True Match powder, and this is in the shade Warm. And then for some blush I'm going to use Maybelline's Fit Me in 25, and I think it's called Rose.
Dreams for two.
now I'm going to use my favorite highlighter from Ulta, and it is the Liquid Luminous Gold, with my small little sponge, and I'm going to just put that on my cheekbones, bridge my nose, my chin, and a tiny little bit up here on my forehead. Now we're going to take this flat brush again, and we are going to go in the same palette, go to the darkest color, and use that on the bottom to smoke out our lower lash line, and we're going to put mascara on the bottom also. For the last step, I'm gonna end up completing this look with a dark lipstick by Nabi matte lipstick. I'm not exactly sure what shade this is called, but we're gonna put that all over our lips and then we're gonna be done. So this is the final look. I think it is awesome for going out. This could be like a good day look depending on what you're doing. But if you guys have any questions or want to request me to do anything or suggestions on anything I should do better, just please let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for visiting my channel.
Fill it up now, waiting for the drop is the wonder.